Today's topic of discussion, that is the difference between the stakeholders as well as customers. So stakeholders, that means those who are interested parties of our business. They may be the internal stakeholders or external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders, that means our owner, employees. External stakeholders, that means the government and creditors. They may be the external stakeholders. Now we are going to focus the important aspect about the customers, that is the customers, those who are buy the goods and services and give us the money. So that means we have to sold out our goods and services to the customers. So what is the basic difference between stakeholders and as well as customers? So first, the basis of difference, that is the financial stake. What is the stake? What is the interest of stakeholders? Stakeholders provide us capital. Stakeholders provide us loan. So this is the financial matters, and this is the financial stake of insider stakeholders in our organization. But opposite of this, customer is not having any financial assistance. Customer is not having any financial stake. They are not providing any capital. They just use our goods and services and getting the satisfaction and paid for it. Another difference between the stakeholders and as well as customers, that is stakeholders provide the financial helps, and they are providing the share capitals, they are providing the loans, and sometimes they provide the human capital, that means the employees, managers, senior manager, workers, laborers. So stakeholders are helping out to run our business by providing the financial capital or loan, or by providing the employees, they may be the supplier of the capital to my business. But customers do not supply any capital. They are not providing any financial assistance to the business. Customer is also not providing any kind of employees to the organization. Another basis of the difference, that is the risk taking. So those who are contributing the capital in the business, those who are providing the funds into the business, they are bearing the risk of operation of business. So there is a possibility that the capital may be lost, the shareholders may be in a problem, or the owner may be suffer the problems. Now in this situation, there is a possibility of loss in capital. So there is a risk is involved, that risk factor involved with the stakeholders. But there is a no risk is involved in case of the our customers. They are just simply using our products and services. So risk point of view, the stakeholders are having a risk for the loss of capital, but in case of the customers, there is no risk involved in it. Now another basis of difference, that is the sharing of profits. So those who are contributing the capital into the business, and they must be entitled to have some amount of the profit, some amount of interest, some amount of wages and salaries. So in case of the stakeholders, the loan given by the stakeholders, they are worried about the interest rate. In case of the owner, in case of companies, they are worried about the dividend. What is the 2 rupees per share, 3 rupees per share? That is the amount of dividend. As far as in the partnership concern, they are worried about the profit, and that profit must be distributed. These are the matters related to the stakeholders. What is the amount of the salary? What is the annual increment of the salary? What is the salary matters, and the bonus matters, and the other benefits? They are worried about the stakeholder. These are the matter of stakeholder. So the sharing of the profits, that is with the stakeholders, and we are not, they are now another side, the customers are not share any profit. They are not entitled for any dividend. They are not entitled for any interest. All these things, it is not related to the customers. Now another difference between the customers and as well as stakeholder, participation in management. So as far as the participation in management, that means our owner is an internal stakeholders. They are participated in management and they are taking the decisions about the how to operate our business efficiently, where is the new branch is to be open, and where which type of products are required by our customers. So what is the who is the branch manager, who is the regional manager, who is capable to handle this type of the work. So the all the decision making power in the hands of the owner, that means in the hands of the stakeholders. So participation in a management on the stakeholders is there, but in case of the customers, they are not participating in any kind of the management decisions which is necessary to take or operate the business very efficiently. So these are the differences between the stakeholders and as well as customers.